It's Thanksgiving. What a beautiful day it is. We're so thankful for another beautiful day. Hey y'all, good morning. How y'all doing this morning? I hope well. I'm doing well. It's kind of a cool morning, 34 degrees, but I can't complain. Thanksgiving is less than 2 days away, and I need to be getting in here prepping up for my banana pudding dessert. And of course, you're gonna need 2 boxes of banana cream instant pudding and pie filling. So Cinnamon has measured out 4 cups of milk. That's what we're gonna need. A few days ago, you saw me prepping the bananas on my holiday prep video, and the bananas are still in the freezer until Thanksgiving. I'm gonna have some pudding, and then I'll have the Cool Whip and the vanilla wafers, and we'll have a dessert ready. Let's go ahead and pour on in the milk. And I'm gonna be mixing it up for a little while. See you in a bit. With the power of video editing, we already have pudding. I think I'm gonna sneak a bite or 2. Shh, don't tell anybody. Oh, that's some good pudding. So, I only need one more step, and then I'll have my video for my banana pudding dessert. So, the bananas are done, the pudding is done, and now I'm just waiting on Thanksgiving. But I got plenty of other things to be doing in this kitchen. I got a lot of food to prep up. I thought I was ready to make my banana pudding dessert. Got the wafers. Got banana pudding. I made it yesterday. And got the whipped topping. But what about my bananas? Well, I didn't get them out last night and let them defrost, so they're still frozen. But I'm just gonna let them sit out, and I'll go ahead and start my dessert. Okay, I got the first layer of cookies, then a layer of banana pudding, another layer of cookies, more cookies, and then we're going to put another layer of banana pudding, and then we top it off with the Cool Whip or some kind of whipped cream. Oh, that looks delicious. All we need is bananas. I'm just gonna serve them with bananas on top. But here it is, banana pudding. It's almost looks like the picture on the box. And I always crumble cookies on top of it to like garnish. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, presentation is key on food. Some people eat with their eyes. And I always put some cinnamon and sugar on top too. Just a little sprinkles. Give it a little more flavor. I also made a banana pudding cup. You can always use a smaller cup. I only had this size cup. And you can just put the top on it and take it to go. A banana pudding cup. It doesn't matter what food you have on Thanksgiving. It just matters who you spend it with. And that being said, I wish you all a wonderful day. Have a fun and safe day with family and friends. We'll see you later.